occasion with their presence.
And our lovely parents who are our biggest support system.
We are the student of great institution known as KD Bhalerao International School and Junior College, Lakmarpur. From the great class 6 Florentine. Yes, 6 Florentine.
Our group be named Rising Maharashtra. Yes,
Rising Maharashtra.
Today, as we stand here to celebrate the Brain
Innovation Program.
Yes,
Brain Innovation Program. नेता वही जो राधिका है, मुश्किल में भी हौसला बढ़ाए. नेता वही जो राधिका है, मुश्किल में भी हौसला बढ़ाए. जो खुद से पहले देश को रखे, वही सच्चा नेता कहलाए. जो खुद से पहले देश को रखे, वही सच्चा नेता कहलाए.
True leadership is not about fame or power. True leadership is not about fame or power. It's about responsibility or earning a name. Yes, it's about responsibility or earning a name.
Now we are going to the inspiring journey of the leader who believe in progress.
Yes, and he's the youngest chief minister of Maharashtra.
Strong in decision, clear in vision. Strong in decision, clear in vision. A leader who inspire a generation. A leader who inspire a generation.
जो शब्दों से नहीं काम से पहचान बताता है, जो शब्दों से नहीं काम से पहचान बताता है, वो कोई नेता नहीं, वो इतिहास रच कर जाता है, वो इतिहास रच कर जाता है.
His journey start from Nagpur and he represent the Nagpur region.
His journey inspires to students and people that always believe on hard work, discipline and leadership qualities.
Can you help to achieve the responsibility at the young age? So, can you guess who is the leader?
Yes, he is the youngest chief minister of Maharashtra. His name is Honorable Devendra Fadnavis sir. Yes, Honorable Devendra Fadnavis sir. So, without wasting your beautiful time, let's get started. Early life from year 1970 to 1989. Yes, early life. Honorable Devendra Fadnavis sir was born on 22 July 1970 in Nagpur. From childhood, he showed the interest in study, debates and social activities. His parents guide him to respect people and community. Leadership is not a position or deal. Leadership is not a position or deal. It is action and example. It is action and example. During his school year, he actively participated in a culture and academic program. We shape his confidence. He developed a instinct by observing the societal issue, especially in school and civic facility. Success belongs those who believe on their dreams. Success belongs those who believe on their dreams and courage have to fly on. And courage have to fly on. Honorable Devendra sir was inspired by great leaders and began images. He excelled in well balancing social and responsibility. This period laid the foundation for his political journey and knowledge. सपने बना मेहनत से पूरे होंगे, सपने बना मेहनत से पूरे होंगे, हर कदम हौसलों से आगे बढ़ेंगे, हर कदम हौसलों से आगे बढ़ेंगे. Student leadership. Yes, student leadership. During college at Nagpur University, he became an active member of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP. He held students programs, debates and social awareness campaigns reflected his early organizational skills. मैं समंदर हूँ, वापस जरूर आऊँगा. His speeches and actions reflected a commitment to justice, equality and community service. I am the ocean, I will return again. Yes, I will return again. He began building networks that later support his political career. Learn to serve before aspire to lead. This period sharpened his communication and leadership skill essential for public life. हौसला रखो अंधेरा छूटेगा, मेहनत से रोशनी मिलेगी.
Family members of Honorable Devendra Fadnavis sir. Yes, family member. His father is Gangadhar Rao Fadnavis, former member of Maharashtra Legislative Council, sincere leader associated with Jan Sangh later BJP. His mother is Sarita Fadnavis, she is homemaker. His wife is Amruta Fadnavis, she is vice president at Axis Bank, social worker and playback singer. His daughter is Divija Fadnavis.
Political start from year 1992 to 1999. Yes, political start. In 1992, at the age of 22, he was elected इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। मेहनत करो, हौसला रखो, मेहनत करो, हौसला रखो, लोगों के लिए जियो, लोगों के लिए जियो। This earlier success paved the way for his rise to state level leadership. First MLA and legislative work in 1999-2013. Your first MLA. In 1999, he was elected member of a Maharashtra Legislative Assembly from Nagpur West Constituency. His focus on health and personal development. Leadership is about action not word. Yes, action not word. Mukhyamantri. He also served in various parties including National Vice President. कदमों के निशान छोड़ोगे, हर मुश्किल राह आसान बनेगी. BJP Maharashtra President from year 2013 to 2014. Yes, BJP Maharashtra President. In April 2013, he was appointed as the President of the BJP in Maharashtra, a keyword role in state politics. He strengthened party organization at both urban and rural levels, ensuring better coordination and strategies. His leadership emphasized engagement, discipline, and systematic planning. He worked on election campaigns, communication strategies, and mobilization of party workers. Strong organization builds strong leadership.
Under his guidance, BJP achieved strong performances in Maharashtra. He demonstrated his ability to balance administration.
First term as Chief Minister from year 2014 to 2019. Yes. On 31st October 2014, Devendra Fadnavis became Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He is the one of the youngest Chief Minister in history. His government focused on infrastructure development, including roads, metro project and smart city initiative. Vision without action is just a dream. He promoted interstate growth, doing business attract to investment of the state. हर कदम रोशनी की ओर, हर सपना पूरा होगा.
Infrastructure and development work. Yes, infrastructure and development work. Under his leadership, Maharashtra showed major expansion in road network, metro system and urban development. Airports and ports were modernized to exchange trade and connectivity to other states. Smart cities were combining technology and public welfare schemes. Build today, what your people will need tomorrow.
Rural connectivity and development project reduces parties between urban and village life. Cities felt new energy and individual expand under his vision. उड़ान सपनों की हर तरह रोशन होगी. These infrastructure projects laid the foundation for growth in our Maharashtra.
Social welfare program. Yes, social welfare program. This government implement multiple schemes for farming, including insurance and financial support program, women empowerment initiative and health program expanded across the state. Education reform includes scholarship and digital classroom for the children and villages. Youth skill development hub were introduced to promote employment and entrepreneurship. Serve the roots of society to strengthen the nation. मेरा पानी उतरता देख किनारे पर घर मत बना लेना. मेरा पानी उतरता देख किनारे पर घर मत बना लेना. मैं समंदर हूँ लौट कर जरूर आऊंगा. हाँ, मैं समंदर हूँ लौट कर जरूर आऊंगा. First, political starts 2019. Later on, he became leader of opposition in 2019 to 2022. Later on, he became Deputy Chief Minister in 2020 to 2024.
Later on, he became Chief Minister for the third time from year 2024 to 2026.
Later on, he developed youth and education.
Women and social equality.
All schemes of Honorable Devendra Fadnavis sir and his ministry up to 2019.
Apna Sarkar Portal 2015. Right to a service as sent in 2015. Jalduk Shivar Abhiyan 2015 and 16. मागील त्याला शेतकरी योजना in 2016. शिव भोजन योजना 2016. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज शेतकरी सन्मान योजना
Mahajan Rural Skill Development Center 2022. Up to 2026.
Free farmer invented in 2023. Maharashtra Responsive Development Program 2023.
मुख्यमंत्री माझी लाडकी बहीण योजना 2024 1500 per month support to women.
Ladki Bahin Yojana increased rupees 2100 in 2025. Vel Ganga Nal Ganga River is interlinked project 2024. Lakpati Didi Mission 2025. Free daytime electricity to farmers 12 hours plan in 2025. 300 crore tree plantation mission 2025. Agriculture solarization expands program in 2026.
Mega Skill and Employment Mission Expansion 2026.
Urban infrastructure fast track metro and road expansion phase 2026. Over. Message for everyone. सपने बड़े देखो पर मेहनत भी उतनी ही करो. सपने बड़े देखो पर मेहनत भी उतनी ही करो. हौसलों की उड़ान से आसमान को छू लो. हाँ आसमान को छू लो.
रास्ते कठिन होंगे पर रुकना मत कभी. हर चुनौती को जीत में बदल दो सभी. हाँ जीत में